Hey everybody. So I wanted to get a shot of this cockatiel egg. It is making its way out of the egg right now, getting ready to hatch, and when you candle it you can see that thing just moving like crazy inside. Look at it. I took it away from Mama and Mama's really ticked off at me at the moment. I know I'm not going to get the whole hatching of this egg because we're going to be away tomorrow, and I don't think that it's going to be finished by morning. But, and as you can see, I marked it, so ignore those marks. But look at that movement inside. Isn't that amazing? Wow. I don't know if anybody else will be as fascinated as I am, but I just love creation and birth, and I just love it. I love it. So when I see this, it just fascinates me. This is amazing. Boring as everybody might think it is. I don't know what it's doing in there, but it's doing something interesting. That is unbelievable. Wow. Look at that. A lot of something. Sorry, this video is all of the same thing over and over again, but I really just thought people might get a really good big kick out of seeing this if they've never seen it before. I have wait, hold on a minute. Had my magnifying glass going so I could see it up close. Anyway, just wanted to share. You see that crack in there? Alright. Everybody take care.